Hey YouTube, what's up? Dr. T here, and welcome to the Altcoin Express and my hometown, St. Petersburg, Florida, where we target turning 23,000 of Ethereum into a cool million in under 5 years, trading altcoins on the Bitcoin Exchange. So here starts a bright new tomorrow. Money transfer has been completed. 23,000 are in my Coinbase account, of which I could only transfer 10,000 out at a time, so that is now in Binance. Made a few little adjustments to the junk, got rid of some of that and bought into one of the other big ones, and then I started paying attention to this coin, called them stocks all the time. There we go. So I had some in ADA and I studied it. So we do miracles with this thing, really. Isn't it marvelous what you can do with it? So way back in here somewhere, when it came down, I thought it was going to go down. And it kind of did, and I don't remember what I got what I did round about then, but it got dumped out on when the when Bitcoin went down on the 9th with that little local dump that it did, which you can see on here. There's on the 9th, that's when Bitcoin went down. Ooh, that's bright. Let's go back into here. So I've been keeping my eye on it all day long, and I made an extensive study of it, what it was doing. Where are my lines? I'm in 1 minute, you can't see things. Let's go up to 30. Okay, now you can see it. So I put two lines on here to see what was going, and you just have to wait around and check where the high highs and the high lows and the low lows and the low highs are, and I came to the conclusion that it was going to go down. Wait, not making any progress, so I decided to dump my little lot, picked up $3.72, dumping the bit I had in there, then waited, worked out what it was going to be, 1% down, 0.5% down, 1% down. So it did go down, and I took a position 1% down, not there, 1% down, this is different. And then it broke through that support, and then somebody in front of me had $1 million in there. Not really, of course, they had a lot. So I decided I would put in another 500. I took in 1,000, put another 500 in as it went down there, and bought that in. And where's it going now? Where are we? That was 3.5, relative 3.7. Here we go. Relative 3.750. I mean, there was a humongous block. Somebody was trying to buy in with like 500,000. So you take 1/10 of that, and it was a big amount of money. It dumped all through that lot, and now is sitting around here, and I'm just waiting to see if it's going to go any further down. If it goes significantly more down, I'll buy a bit more, because this stock is this coin is undoubtedly a rising star. It's been touted to be a rising star, and it is a rising star. In the past, it has gone through. Let's have a look back here while we're waiting for this thing to do something. This upside here, 40%. This downside, 15%. This upside here, 30%, and then this little trade-off. So over the long term, this will quite happily buy up a long way. It's a monumental investment for the long, and it's just brand new. I mean, look how old it is. So it came out just before the new year. Yeah, just before the new year. And yeah, I guess this is the darling of some people. So I'm just going to watch this, see how far it goes, because that's the difference between 3.75 and this is nothing. There's no point bothering. If it did a shit fest down here, then buy some more. But yeah, no, it's kind of slowed down a bit now. It went through this humongous to do here where somebody was wanting to get in, look at the size of that block there. I mean, a million coins went through, and so back over here. I'll keep doing this. Well, we'll go back over here anyway, and have a look at the volume. So I really like this site because you can put your comparisons on there. This is another one that I've got that I bought more into, and it's going down. If it keeps going down, I'll buy some more. It's one of the majors. IOTA. It's up a shitload. Where is it? IOST. So IOST. This is another of the major ones. So yeah, it's sitting, having had a sell-off, quite a staggering amount up when you think about it. I mean, look at this, unbelievable. These things are a gold mine. So when you see that kind of information, you know, it's, if it goes down, keep buying. I've got a lot of money there, and so I'll go back out again. So that was on here. So it's trending down a bit. It doesn't matter how well it goes, I can just buy some more. So we were looking at the volume on here. This is a volume index that I've set to 15 for whatever reason, I don't remember now. And it shows you the volume of stock being bought, and the volume of stock being sold. So you can see there's a transition taking place here. More is being sold than being bought. And these are wonderful things for judging when to get in, when to get out, kind of thing, together with the moving averages, depending on where they are. So it's, and you know, there are various positions of moving averages. Right here is just cresting its 1 hour moving average. We can blow that up a bit. Wonderful piece of software, this. So it's just coming below the 99-day moving average at 1 hour. That's quite significant. And you can go back in, and now this is well in buy territory, but it depends how much is going to be dumped. So we'll kind of keep an eye on that, and if it goes down much more, I'm going to probably buy a bit more. Yeah, it tends to look like it's kind of finished its sell-off. You can see my green 30-day moving average and orange 90-day moving average. They're starting to turn on 1 minute. That's just as sensitive as it gets. The sell-off is starting to kind of go down. A little bit of buyback starting to come up, and we're seeing it. It really didn't do very much below 37.5 relative. And we can see that it's made its low and it's starting to move away. So yeah, I think that's all for the entertainment we have in store for right now. So after our first buy, I've taken a position of $1,500 into this coin, and looking forward to doing more in the future.